Phrasal verbs with put. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Put away. To store or save something. She put away her clothes after doing laundry. I'm trying to put away some money for my next trip. Put off. To postpone or to discourage. They had to put off the meeting due to bad weather. His rude attitude put me off working with him. Put on. To wear something, gain weight, or perform a show. She put on her coat before going outside. I've put on a few pounds over the holidays. Put out. To extinguish or inconvenience someone. Please put out the fire before leaving the campsite. I hope I'm not putting you out by asking for help. Put up. To build, display, or accommodate. They put up a new hotel near the station. Can you put up this poster on the wall? Put through. To connect a call or make someone experience difficulty. Could you put me through to the manager? She was put through a lot of stress during the project. Put aside. To set something aside, save, or ignore. Let's put aside our differences and work together. He put aside some money for his daughter's education. Put forward. To suggest an idea or move time forward. She put forward a great idea during the meeting. Don't forget to put forward your clock 1 hour this weekend. Put down. To write, criticize, or euthanize an animal. He put down the important points in his notebook. The critics put down his performance as boring. Put together. To assemble or compile. It took me 2 hours to put together the furniture. She put together a great presentation for the meeting. Put back. To return something or delay. Please put back the book after reading it. The flight was put back by 2 hours due to bad weather. Put in. To install something or invest effort/time. They put in a new air conditioner last week. He put in a lot of effort to improve his English. Put under. To put someone under anesthesia. The patient was put under before the surgery. The vet had to put the dog under for the operation. Put across. To communicate something effectively. She put across her ideas very clearly in the meeting. He struggled to put across his emotions in words. Put up with. To tolerate something. I can't put up with his bad attitude anymore. She put up with the noise for years before moving out. Put out of. To remove from a condition or relieve someone. The company was put out of business after the crisis. The pain finally put him out of his misery. Put away with. To eliminate or abolish something. The new law put away with outdated regulations. We should put away with unnecessary paperwork. Put into. To put effort or energy into something. He put a lot of effort into his project. She put all her energy into training for the competition. Put over. To express something clearly or persuade. He put over his argument very convincingly. She managed to put over the importance of teamwork. Put to. To pose a question or burden someone. I'd like to put a question to the speaker. The new policy put a lot of pressure on employees. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.